Hi, welcome back to Science 1206, the Sustainability of Ecosystems unit. I'm Ms. Ledwell, and in this video we'll talk about soil composition. So let's get started. Soil is an essential component of terrestrial ecosystems, serving as a foundational support for most plants and supplying a source of water and nutrients. Recall that limiting factors are factors that limit the growth, distribution, or amount of a population in an ecosystem. Limiting factors determine how many individuals of a population can live in an ecosystem. Soil quality is a limiting factor for populations in many ecosystems. It determines the types of plant species and number of plants that can thrive in an ecosystem, which in turn affects the animals that depend on them for food and habitat. Soil is composed of minerals in the sand, silt, and clay, air, water, and organic matter. Soil is often characterized as consisting of distinct layers, each with its own physical and chemical characteristics. Generally, the texture of the soil becomes coarser, and the content of organic or living matter decreases as the depth increases. Pause here and watch the short video clip, The Dirt on Soil, located in the instructional video area in Brightspace to learn more about soils. Once you've watched this short video clip, please resume this instructional video. The litter layer of the soil is a nutrient-rich layer composed mostly of decomposing organic material. Organic material means it came from a once living organism, such as leaves and dead plants and animals. This layer is located on the top of the mineral layers of the soil. Topsoil is made up of minerals mixed with organic material. This layer is important for plant life as it supports the roots and fosters growth by providing essential nutrients, oxygen, and water. Compared to topsoil, the subsoil layer is typically more coarse, more dense, less fertile, and contains less organic material. This layer contains more clay and is important for water retention and mineral storage. Bedrock is the deepest layer, and it consists of solid rock. So just to recap our layers, we have the litter layer, which is mostly organic material. Then we have the topsoil, which is a mix of organic material and minerals, and this is where the plant's roots take hold. Next, we have the subsoil, which is coarser and has less organic material than the topsoil. And lastly, we have the bedrock, which is the deepest layer and consists of solid rock. Now it's time to continue to the next video, but before you do, pause for a half-minute recharge. Rise, reach, and stretch before moving on to the next video.